Sweet. And when my dad died, a friend of mine who is an indigenous, she's part of the Paiute tribe here in Vegas. I was like, there's like hummingbirds following me. She's like, hummingbirds could be, our ancestors that are trying to talk to you. You recently had someone pass. And I was just like, so every time I see a hummingbird, I'm like, oh my God, it's my dad.
It's cardinals for my mom. It's not butterflies for my mom. My mom is cardinals. There's red cardinals
Yeah,
that visit, and it's always my Uncle Danny visiting her. So she'll tell me when the cardinals come.
I love
So
that. And I think that's that. I think that moment like made me feel like that. I think that there's so much in this movie that is so relatable to the human experience. And I feel like you just captured that.